Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first voiceover, so I do apologize in advance if there's any mistakes. So today I'm working on a BMW 5 Series F10, and the problem with this one is that it's got a water leak issue. The water is leaking into the passenger side front footwell and it's traveling to the back. As you can see here, it gets pretty bad, especially when it's raining, so let's sort it out. Firstly, I just removed the engine cover and then the air filter housing. So this was a little bit difficult to film as there wasn't really much room to work around. So I just removed this cover, which is located on the right hand side of the engine, and it's held by, I think it was 5 Torx screws. And then once they're off, just pull the cover off. And then here you can see the steering shaft cover where the water is leaking into the cab. Just use a screwdriver to pry it out. There were 3 clips holding it in, so it was a little bit tricky due to the space again. So I managed to just pry it out using a screwdriver. And here's the new part, which I purchased from eBay, and that's the part number if you wish to purchase it yourself. And just make sure all the surface is clean, and I just use a bit of tissue paper just to wipe it down. And that's the drain hole you can see there, so make sure that's not blocked. Just put a screwdriver or something down there. And here I'm just using a bit of silicone for extra precaution. You don't have to use if you haven't got any lying around. So when installing it, just make sure the arrow is facing down and it just clips into place. When you push it in, you should hear the clips clipping in. And then here I'm just making sure the drain hole is clean. I managed to find a better camera angle here, and you can see I'm putting the cover back on. And now just fit the air filter housing back in place. And then put the engine cover on. and that's the leak fixed. If this video has helped you out, please do like, comment and share, and also subscribe. So thank you for your time.